We have to make dinner tonight. I hope you remembered.
Oops, I forgot, actually. What do you want to make?
Well, I thought we could make that apple pie we did last time. What do you think?
Yeah, okay. That's a good idea. Do we have everything we need?
Let's go and have a look in the kitchen.
Right. First, of course, we need some apples. Do we have any?
Yes, we have a lot of apples. I bought 10 only yesterday. How many do we have to use?
I think 6 large apples will be fine. Now, is there any flour? We have to use 2½ cups of flour. How much do we have?
I think we'll have to buy some flour. We don't have much. Maybe only 200 grams. I'll start a shopping list, okay? Flour. What about cinnamon and nutmeg?
Well, for this recipe, we only need a little cinnamon and nutmeg. How much do we have?
Oh, these containers are both full, so we don't need any more. Now, we need a little salt.
Okay, we have a lot of salt.
And quite a lot of sugar. It says in the recipe about a cup.
Oh, we don't have any sugar. We can't make apple pie without sugar. Write sugar on the shopping list.
Okay, I've got it. We need a little butter too. Did you buy any butter yesterday at the store?
No, I didn't get any. How much do we need for the recipe?
Well, it says 100 grams. I think we have some butter in the fridge.
Yes, we don't have much, but there's enough.
Okay, I will go to the store and buy these things we need, and we can start when I return.
Fine, I'll come with you.